So, the red car is a parts car. It's an SI model. It has disc brakes in the rear. It's got sway bars. A little bit different of a suspension setup than this one. This is an HF model. No sway bar, drum brakes in the rear. But since we're going to swap all the SI parts over, we're going to start with the suspension on the rear and then move to the suspension on the front. And then start getting all the parts off of this one that we need to complete this one, and then we're going to get rid of this one so we don't have a junk car sitting in the yard for much longer. So, drum brakes over here, and disc brakes over here. I think we're going to pull the entire lower control arm with the disc brake assembly on, and the entire lower control arm with the drum brake assembly on, and just swap them completely over. What you think, love? You like that idea?
Sounds good to me.
You don't care. Well, there's nothing to it but to do it. So let's figure out how we're gonna do that. Thumbs up. Two little ones.
Slackers.
All right, Phoenix. There's a 14mm wrench right there by you. You need to loosen this bolt right here up. They call that a banjo bolt. I'm sure there's a clever reason why. Get it? Broke loose already?
Yeah.
You should probably unscrew it by hand now. It looks like it's pretty loose.
Yeah.
But there's gonna be brake fluid coming out of there because that's what feeds the brake caliper. It's okay, it's legit, don't worry about it. That looks like mostly water anyways. That is some really runny brake fluid.
It's not supposed to look like that?
Nah, probably not. Alright, that's that bolt. Now, see if that one right here is the same size. It looks like it might be a 12.
Yeah.
Definitely a 12. Go and grab you a 12mm out of there. And put the box end on it if you would. Less likely to round it off there, my love. Alright, lefty loose. So counterclockwise would be towards you. Put your body weight into it. There you go, there you go. Good job, love.
right? That's better.
So we swapped the disc brake from the red one, which is the parts car, to the blue one because this had drum brakes and now it has disc brakes. So